Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Diva. My identification number 21107310 and 15. Okay, on this video I would like to explain about cognitive approach to second language learning. Okay, first of all, we have to know about universal grammar theories that investigate from the field of cognitive psychology and the neurology, and from what we know about the acquisition of complex procedural skills in general. So, and the next theories is transition theories that we can understand second language acquisition process better by understanding how the human mind process and learns new information. Okay, the first one is cognitive theories fell into two main groups. First is language knowledge might be special in some way, and the next is the learner is seen as operating complex processing system that deals with linguistic information in similar ways. Okay, this chapter is divided into two main sections. The first one is processing approaches. Processing approaches is the way in which brains processing mechanism and with the second language. So, processing approach divided into two models. In the first models is information processing models, which is how different memory stores. It is related to short-term memory and long-term memory, and declarative and procedural. So deal with new second language information. So from first expert is McLaughlin's information processing model. It is related to automatic processing or automatic sequences are stored as unit in long-term memory, which means that they can made available very rapidly. And the next one is Anderson's ICT model. It is enables declarative knowledge. It is knowledge that something is the case. To become procedural knowledge is the knowledge how to do some things. So the next one is application of ICT to learning strategies. So the learning strategies focus on facilitating learning, whereas communication strategies are used in order to overcome a specific communicative problem. Okay, the next one is ICT and fluency development in second language acquisition. So it is the models of natural language processing in order to explain how grammatical knowledge becomes into fluent performance. And the next one is theories of some of second language processing. First one is processability theory. It is aims to clarify how learners acquire the computational mechanism that operate on the linguistic knowledge they construct. And the next one is teachability, is the pedagogical implications of the learnability of processability, and draws how some structure should be taught. So the next one is operating principles and first language acquisition. It is divided into five. First one is operating principle A, it is a pay attention to the ends of words, and principles B, it is there are linguistic elements that encode notion between words, and the next one C, it is avoid exceptions, and D, underlying the semantic relation should be marked, and the next one is E, it is the use of great grammatical markers should make semantic sense, and then uh, the operating principles in second language acquisition. And first one is the one for one principles, and the next one is the multifunctionally principle, and the next one is the principles of formal determinism, and the next one is the principle of distributional bias, and the next one is the relevance principles, and the last one is the reflect relaxification principle. Okay, the last material is connectionism. It is the processing links to the brain, two brains to a computer that would consist of neural networks. So this connectionism divided into two. The first one is connectionism and first language acquisition. It is the learning the regular versus irregular past tense in English, and the next one is connectionism and SLA. It is the learning how the genders of set, and I think that's all from my understanding of this explanation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.